What is up, boys? Today we're gonna be going pond hopping on Google Maps. I'm with Joe here.
Hey.
Like always, boys. Usually we do this, we get kicked out every spot we go to, but we're gonna try and find a good spot today. I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, boys, we are here. We just saw some fishermen actually get kicked out for it from a cop.
Yeah.
But we stopped them on the road and they said they caught like 10, so. Here we go, boys. Holy boys. Oh my gosh, guys. That's a nice freaking bass. He swallowed my jig. The cop is literally right over there. And we're behind a tree and he can't see us. But boys, my goodness. That is a nice fish. Good. No, don't go over there. Dude, you can't see us. Dude. That's a chunk, bro. Guys, look at this fish, man. That is an absolute gorgeous bass. Dude, his car's right there, bro. We can't go any farther. Bite. 3, 2, 1. It's another freaking chunk, dude. Oh my gosh, boys. Another chunk. Look at this, he just... Oh my gosh, dude. Another chunker, boys. Look at, oh, beautiful fish, boys. Another one for the count. All right, boys. Yeah, here's what I'm using, boys. I'm using this little jig with a little rage tail connected. There's a bunch of, I think they're hitting on shad, not shad perch, but we'll see if we can get another one. I'm just bobbing her. Just 2 hits, let it drop. 2 hits, and that's how I caught these 2 nice fish. Oh, we're fried. Oh, you want to dip? What? Yeah, you want to dip?
Huh?
You want to dip?
Yeah, I just said you stay put.
Sounds good to me. Hi. No, I'm not. Oh, yes, sir. It is nice. Yeah, that's a female on her bed. Is that right? Yes, sir. She's about to spawn. So we want to get her back in the water quick. But that's a nice one, huh? Yes, sir. I caught that on a jig. I'll come show you. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that was a beautiful one, though. Right here. Just a jig.
I'll be damned. I've never seen that one before.
Really? Oh, yeah, this is great during bedding season.
Yeah, I can see why you might get something out.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Huh? Oh, yeah, and her male was so mad.
Really?
Her male was following her. You didn't know that?
I didn't see it.
Well, that's the best part, Joe. Howdy. No. No, one of our friends do, though. Oh, okay. He does? He does?
Yeah, so I'm going to have to ask him to leave.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hopkins got a real serious about trespassing.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We'll get out of here. Sorry about that.
All right, thank you so much.
No problem. All right, boys, we moved to this cemetery. We couldn't find another spot. We tried some more. It didn't work out. So now we're at the cemetery. Joe said he fished here yesterday, and they didn't get kicked out. So, and the security guard saw them. So we're going to try it out. Wish us luck. See you on the pond. Alright guys, now we're going to be using this jig right here, and we're just going to be throwing her and giving her a little twitch. Now, I don't retrieve on this one, I just twitch it back. It's a twitch all the way. It's not a swim jig, so I'll show you how I do it real quick. I always throw a little rage tail on as a trailer too, gives it a better appearance. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just throwing her out. And I'm just giving it a little, on the drop, boys. Here's one. Look at that, I threw her in, and she grabbed her on the drop. Ooh, there we go, boys. Just swallowed her. Nice little bass right here. Whew. Fish. Oh, she's an active one. There we go, boys. Woo! Here we go, boys. That is the 5th one of the day. Going for the release. Woo! That was smooth. I'm just getting them on this jig is killing today. Man, I've caught all 5 of these fish on this jig with this rage tail as a trailer, and I'm just twitching her. It's a twitch retrieve. I'm not reeling it in. I'm not doing anything. It's just this jig, man. It's killing today.